So, hi my friends. Today I have cooked this organic Nepali mushroom. So, I will show you how to cook this Nepali style cooking. So, now I will cut a small piece. I washed nicely. So, I put some salt in the hot water. Now I soak the mushroom in the hot water with the salt for 10 minutes. Add the oil, adding half teaspoon cumin seed. Then I'm add the garlic now. I'm adding now onion and chili, green chili. I'll fry some time, 2 minutes. Fry the onion sometime. So I'm adding now potato. Half teaspoon haldi, half teaspoon chili, half teaspoon jeera, half teaspoon dhania. Add salt, half teaspoon, because I soaked the mushroom with the salt water. So as your taste, you add the salt. I'm adding little water to cook the spices. Now I cover the pan to 3 to 4 minutes to cook the spices and soften the potatoes. This is very easy to cook and very tasty, delicious recipe. Now adding the mushroom. Now again I cover the pan for 10 minutes to soften the mushroom. Now 10 minutes over, it was cooked. I turn off the gas stove. Cooking is finished, right? Wow, you can see how it was lovely. So now I'm going to have my lunch. So here is Nepali jeera rice. It's very tasty rice, this one. Wow. Okay, there is some. So come have lunch with me. Very tasty, delicious food, organic food. So friend, thank you for watching my video. If you really like my recipe, please subscribe my channel so that you can see more recipe. Now I add the tomato and cook for some time.